In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Base44 project to WordPress. We'll walk through publishing your project in Base44, grabbing its public link, and using WordPress.com's migration flow to bring that content into your site. Have your Base44 project ready and be logged into both platforms so you can move smoothly. Start in Base4. Open the Base44 dashboard and look to the left sidebar for All Apps. This is where all of your projects live. Click All Apps, then open the specific app you want to move so you're inside its editor or overview page. Before WordPress can find your project, it needs to be live. Click Publish in Base4. When the confirmation panel appears, click Publish App to push your latest changes. Publishing ensures the site is accessible at a stable web address. Once it's published, find the area that shows your app URL. This is the public link to your live project. Click Copy to place that address on your clipboard. You'll paste this into WordPress in a moment. Now switch to WordPress.com. In the WordPress dashboard, click Sites on the left side to manage where your content will go. Choose Add New Site to start the setup. From the options presented, select Migrate to WordPress.com. This tells WordPress you want to bring in content from somewhere else rather than starting from a blank site. You'll see a field asking for a site address. Paste the Base44 app URL you copied earlier into that box. Then click Check My Site. WordPress will quickly validate the address so it knows what it's working with. Next, pick your destination. If you have multiple sites in your account, choose the one that should receive this content. Click. Select this site, then click Continue to confirm your choice and proceed to the import options. On the import screen, you'll be asked to import content from another platform or file. Choose WordPress as the importer type so the system uses the standard WordPress importer. Then click Upload a File, browse your computer for the content file you intend to import, select it and click Open to begin the upload. Larger files can take a little while. Keep the tab open while WordPress processes the import. That's the complete flow. Publish the Base44 project, copy its live URL, start a new migration in WordPress.com, paste the address, choose your destination site, select the WordPress import path, and upload your content file. Once the import completes, you can review your pages and posts in WordPress and make any design or navigation adjustments using your theme and editor. Thanks for following along, and good luck with your transfer.